5-star pressure washing with Jacksonville, Florida. We're gonna do a quick overview of our skid setup. Basically, it's an all aluminum frame built in the back of a 2010 F-150 with a 6-foot bed. Starters, we got a 24-foot ladder. Got the standoffs on it. We also got our 28-foot ladder over there too, in case we need for some bigger things. Kind of go through a walkthrough. We put most of this together ourselves. So here we have 200 feet of garden hose. It is plumbed through the reel. We have the ability to pull the first 100-foot section off. It connects right here to this cam lock. So we could dual feed the water tank. It's kind of hard to see, but we have a Y set up. This is for the reel side. This other one over here is for the cam lock side. 2 check valves. They both go into a float valve, so that way once the tank's full, it won't overflow. We have 2 Suttner ST66s. This one allows us to switch from bleach to water to flush our equipment out when we're rinsing the house. This one goes to our soap tank, which we currently use Apple Wash. One side is Apple Wash and one side is degreaser. We do a couple monthly maintenance accounts at some restaurants. We have our Softwash mixer system. Just got to finish plumbing this up. So one side will be bleach or SH. This will be our soap. And then this will go to our water. We have a 3-way banjo. It's going to go up over here. This will allow us to flush the system out easily. And then we have a downstream injector bypass. So basically we will pull our pressure hose off, attach it right here. In this configuration, the ball valve actually blocks water flow, forces it up around and into the downstream injector, which that pulls up to these valves and goes from there. So we're able to turn this valve and this will bypass the injector, so we get more pressure for rinsing the house or surface cleaning or whatever we may be doing. Both these 2 Titan 12 inches are electric. And we have our 300 foot of 1/2-inch hose. This is for our roof setup. Anything that comes out of our air diaphragm. This is unfortunately a manual hose reel. May change that in the future. Going around back, we have our old trusty air compressor. It's not pretty, but she's a workhorse. Then we have our Yamada 1/2-inch air diaphragm setup. 55-gallon SH tank, and then behind that is the 100-gallon water dragon tank. Then we have a 8-gallon a minute pressure washer, electric start. Optima yellow top, which runs the pressure washer and all the hose reels. We got some storage down here. This is where we store like some guns, house washing tips, and extensions. This is the actual drain for the water tank. So I tried to design everything to where everything can be running and working with the tailgate closed. Then we have our 19-inch Whisper Wash Classic, and this actually locks through the handle. Basically impossible for anybody to walk away with it. So this is a 7-gallon soap tank. This is right now housing our Apple Wash. There'll be another soap tank going here. This will house the degreaser. This is the line for the degreaser. And then we're gonna get a toolbox set up here. But yeah, just kind of wanted to show it off, see where we're at with it. We're also gonna have a water-fed pole system getting mounted up here before too long. But if you have any questions, comments, whatever, please post them. I'd love to hear the feedback.